Welcome to my first spend the day with me. The sunlight is like so amazing right now. It's like coming through so hard. My camera cut out, but I did this moisturizer. So good. And then this primer that I'm rubbing in now. Okay, so I've got primer on. For base, I'm not even going to bother using foundation today. I'm going to use tinted moisturizer, Wet n Wild. This is like so good. I use this so much. This is like my third one. Ooh, glowy, glowy. Where's my flathead brush? So this is my Sonia Kashyap flathead. I usually use this for foundation. It's so good for like having a nice flawless base. Concealer, which is the Maybelline. I have to get a new one, but it's my go-to every time. A little bit here, a little bit here. I'm gonna go in with this brush, which is my favorite concealer brush ever. It came with a pack that I got on Amazon, and it's just my favorite type of concealing blending brush. I think my man just got home. For some reason, I cannot film when he's here. I can be cringy. I'm very much cringy, but I don't want you to witness my cringe. He's like, I don't care. I wish you were more comfortable with me. Just be cringy around me. I'm like, I'm sorry. I'm working my way in that direction. I don't know you like that. I'm just kidding. I've known this person for years. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. Lifter Sticks by Maybelline. I do the little Puerto Rican native Taino line. And then I blend that. And then I put some here. And then here. I'm gonna go finish my day like this. Imagínate. So for this, I go in with a stippler brush. I go in with a stippler brush that looks like this. I need to clean it, I know. I stipple all over the place. Yep. And then I put the remainder that's on the brush on my neck, like if there's any, because I want it to match good. On top of that, I'm gonna do blush. I start with the tip of my nose. Like, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do like a full in-depth makeup thing. I used to spend hours in the bathroom learning, teaching myself, watching YouTube videos, trying it on myself, seeing what works for my face shape, seeing what doesn't. What a time to be alive it was when I was like 16. What a time to be alive. And maybe, can I put my face in the camera like that? The one that I usually wear is a lot darker. Oh, this darkened it up a little bit. The majority of the time that I'm doing anything, I'm improvising. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I will like try my best at everything, but I'm not really a professional at anything. The only thing I do want to be a professional in or become a professional in is editing my videos, because I really do enjoy that. I'm going to finish off with my eyebrows, do a quick setting spray, and then be done. ADHD. Wow, 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 wow. I'm going to do your hair. What? I'm going to do your hair. Ew, bug. Oh, that is a bug. It's a gnat. Ugh. You don't want to do pigtails? Let me pause this. Pause. Okay, so now for the hair, I think that I'm going to do a middle part updo just to keep up with this sporty look today. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know. Let's go. I'm going to start with the living room, mainly the kid stuff, so might do a time lapse here. Might not. Not sure. I just really need to listen to music while I clean. You did it again now. Good job, Key. Thank you. Thank you much. On top. Good job. High five. Mommy. Hello, we've got pizza sauce on the ground. One day you'll love me for sure. This part of the wall right here, I am going to decorate with different portraits, just sporadically, but I'm being picky about what portraits I'm going to put up. Go. Let me go. My nose is pouring right now. Up next, we're going to clean the kitchen, have some lunch, and then we're going to start on meal prepping. Did you get sand in your eye? Eye. Yeah, no touch. Let me see. No touch, okay? You're okay, baby. Mama kiss. I love you. Security camera. It is silly. Now that that's done, I'm going to take a little break and then I'm going to get started on lunch.
So, Mama, what are we having to lunch?
Chicken breast. I'm going to dice them up and fry them. Spinach, cucumber, red onion, green onion sprinkled on top, tzatziki sauce, feta. It's basically a chicken bowl. It's going to be chef's kiss. Slap. Slap. I guess I'm using a small knife. I usually use the big knife, but I'm going to have to use this one because the big one is in the wash. I cut it into squares. We made it to my least favorite part of the day, which is working out. They say that after you do it a certain amount of times that you start to love it and like become addicted to it. I can't wait to like get there because I just don't like to work out. But anyways, I'm gonna play some music in the background, so I'm probably gonna do like a little voiceover here and speed it up. There you go. 12 times. I'm going to take a break for a little bit because there's no air conditioning in the garage. And we are back in the kitchen. I'm going to make myself a smoothie. It is a little dark in my kitchen right now. It's because I don't want to use the big light. This is what the big light looks like. I loathe it with an undying passion. So what I'm gonna meal prep is pasta with beef. Because it's so hard for me to take in as many calories as I'm supposed to for my weight gain goal, I have to kind of force myself to eat more. The more you work out, the hungrier you are anyway. So hopefully that works out in my favor. Meal prep bowl. I don't feel comfortable eating out of plastic, but I'm working towards a goal here. We can upgrade the minute details later. Here. Let us begin. Magic. She's got reminds me of childhood memories. Yeah! So boiling some water for the pasta. Taste this. Oh yeah. What do you think?
Good.
Honest opinion.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much for following along with me, and I'll see you in my next video.